Imagine earning thousands while you sleep, but pick the wrong product, and you're back to square one. We've cracked the code to choosing the perfect affiliate products that rake in cash. And you definitely don't want to miss this. Choosing the perfect affiliate product isn't just a lucky guess. It's about understanding your niche and, more importantly, your audience. Picture creating content that resonates so well with your viewers that they're practically lining up, credit card in hand, ready to make a purchase through your affiliate link. Sounds like a dream, right? But how do you get there? First, you need to dig deep into the heart of your audience's interests and preferences. Think about it. What are they passionate about? What problems do they face that you can help solve? This is where tools like surveys and social media engagement come into play. They are your secret weapons for peeking into your audience's world. By analyzing comments, running polls, and even directly asking what they want, you get a treasure trove of insights. Then there's market research. It's not just about the numbers. It's about understanding trends, identifying gaps, and spotting opportunities that align with what your audience loves. This combination of direct engagement and market savvy sets the stage for selecting affiliate products that don't just sell, but sell because they matter to your audience. But here's a little secret: finding your niche and understanding your audience is a continuous process. Markets evolve, trends come and go, and audience interests shift. That means what works today might not work tomorrow, so staying engaged and informed is key. Now, think about your current strategy. Are you actively engaging with your audience to uncover their deepest needs and preferences? How could you leverage this insight to choose affiliate products that turn passive followers into eager buyers? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course, tailored to shift you from planning to action. This course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course now. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Envision wandering through a bustling market where each stall promises the secret to unlocking your affiliate marketing potential. Some offer glittering rewards, while others, they might not shine as bright. How do you decide which product to champion, which banner to hoist high in your digital space? That's where the adventure begins. Evaluating product viability isn't just about picking the shiniest object. It's about understanding the intricate dance of commission structures, product quality, and market demand. Picture commission structures as the backbone of your affiliate efforts. They dictate how your hard work translates into earnings. Some products offer a high commission rate. Tempting, right? But here's where you need to pause and consider: does a high commission equate to high quality? Will it meet your audience's needs? Next, we shine a light on product quality. In the realm of affiliate marketing, your reputation is tethered to the products you endorse. Selecting a product of dubious quality can cast a shadow over your credibility, so choose wisely. Ask yourself, would you use this product? If the answer resonates with a confident yes, you're on the right track. And what about market demand? If a product solves a problem that no one has, is it still a solution? Here's where your detective skills come into play. Comb through customer reviews, forums, and social media to gauge the pulse of potential buyers. Are they yearning for this solution? Is there excitement, or is it met with a collective shrug? Now, don't forget about the guardians of the realm, the reputation of the product and its providers. Align yourself with brands that cherish their affiliates, those that provide not just banners and links, but support and respect. Your alliance with these brands reflects on you, so choose allies who share your values. The secret weapon in your arsenal: tracking and analytics. These tools are not just numbers on a screen. They're the map that guides your strategy, showing you which products resonate with your audience and which paths lead to treasure. Pause for a moment and reflect: how do your current affiliate choices stack up against these criteria? Are you ready to become the champion your audience needs? guiding them to products that enrich their lives while also ensuring your affiliate marketing success. What's one product you're considering, and how does it fare when you apply these evaluation techniques?